In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to efficiently split invoice payments in Zoho Books, making it easier for you to manage partial payments without any hitches. Given that Zoho Books is an easy-to-use platform for managing your invoices and payments, learning how to split payments is essential for smooth operations. Now, to kick off our tutorial, let's head over to the Sales menu and from there, navigate to Invoices. Here, you'll find a list of all your invoices. Go ahead and open the particular invoice you want to split the payments for. Now, once you have your invoice open, you'll notice a button labeled Record Payment. It's time to utilize that. Give it a click. By doing so, you'll open up a page where you can input the payment specifics. You'll see various sections such as Amount Received and Payment Details. Ensure to fill these up with the accurate details and key in the portion of the total amount you've received as the first part of your split payment. After all necessary details have been filled up, finalize this step by hitting the Record Payment button once again. When you do this, the status of your invoice will instantly change to partially paid. A sigh of relief, right? The first part of the payment has been successfully recorded. But worry not. There is still more to do. We haven't forgotten about the remaining balance. To add the next part of the payment, you'll have to go back to the same Record Payment button and give it yet another click. This time around, you'll key in the remaining balance. The best part about Zoho Books is that the remaining balance might already be automatically populated for your convenience, saving you the time of calculating and entering the amount manually. Of course, you'll need to ensure the other payment details are correctly filled as they were the first time. After you've confirmed that everything checks out, don't hesitate to hit the Record Payment button one more time. By doing so, you'll have successfully split the payments on your invoice. And voila, there you have it. Splitting invoice payments in Zoho Books is as simple as that. With just a few clicks here and there, you can efficiently manage your invoice payments without any mix-ups. It's all about knowing where to click and what to input. That concludes our tutorial for today. Thank you for sticking through and happy invoicing.